my name is Oliver, and this is my idea for a prototype for our new main valves. So since the engine is not the BPM 100 anymore, we obviously need smaller valves. And because we have smaller valves, we can get away with smaller actuators. The one that our good friend Adam did way back when is obviously way too big and way too overkill for what we want here. And hopefully this is also a bit simpler. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using these motors, which are skateboard motors. And then we're going to be using I say common, but there's a board out there that's called ODrive, and we're going to try and use ODrive to use these as our valve actuators, because they convert these BLDC motors into, I guess, really nice stepper motors. And one of the main reasons that we need to build this new assembly instead of just using the old one is that since the valves are way too big, and so if we open the valves just a tiny amount, that the opening will be way too big. And so the amount of adjustment that we're going to have in the big valves are not going to work out that well for the small engine. Maybe in the future, we can use the two big valves to run 5 engines at the same time. That would obviously require some flow management into the pipes, into the different motors. We might also go with 10 of these, so individual valves for each motor. We don't know yet, but for this first engine test, we need 2 of these, and we need to figure out if they will even be functional for the test that we need to do.
If you want to see any of this hardware coming together in person, test some flown rockets, or try our space capsules on for size, come visit us. We run public tours every weekend, so just check our website for availability and book your visit. We really hope to see more of you here.
Where these are going to be placed, they're going to hopefully be placed right next to the engine. So as short a pipe run as possible. It would just mean that there's less delay from when we open the valves to when the fuel actually arrives to the engine, which will be nicer. So that's where we're going to at least try and place them. It's going to be interesting to see if we place them on the engine side of our firewall or if we're going to place it behind the firewall. Because if something should happen, the engine blows up, they might take the valves and the valve actuators with them. But we might have shorter pipe run, which could be easier. But we'll see when we get there. In a couple of months, I guess.
The reason we're getting so close to reaching space on our Speaker rocket is because all of our crowdfunding supporters. If you enjoy watching these insider videos on building a space program and you would like to become an even bigger part of it, you can help us out by going over to our website, www.copsub.com, and becoming a supporter with a small monthly or one-time donation. We all do this for free in our spare time, so you'd be surprised how much every little bit helps. And thank you if you feel like what we do and share is interesting.